And oh, the perfect love of God, stronger than my rebel heart, and reaching through the veil of sin to invite the broken in. And all my guilt and every stain overshadowed by His grace. Now I stand redeemed and free in my Father's love for me. And oh, the perfect sacrifice, in my place laid down His life, pouring from my Savior's wounds, precious blood my heart renews. Here by grace, only through faith, Jesus' righteousness I claim. Now I stand with victory in my Savior's death for me. We sing He's holy. Holy, you are holy, Father, Spirit, Christ the Son. Worthy of all glory, never-ending fount of love, everlasting, three in one. Sing of who He is, and oh, the perfect gift of God. Now the seal upon this heart, glorifying Christ the Lamb, keep my feet in step with Him, and all the power now indwells the wind of God, my present help. And now I stand pure and complete by the Spirit's work in me. Holy, you are holy, Father, Spirit, Christ the Son. Worthy of all glory, never-ending fount of love, everlasting, three in Oh, the perfect kingdom come, where the Savior sits enthroned, and we will see Him face to face, and all our tears are wiped away, and every nation bowing down, the saints and angels cast their crowns. Wealth and wisdom, power and praise, evermore our lips will sing praises for eternity. Let's sing this out, singing holy, and we sing holy, you are holy, Father, Spirit, Christ the Son. Worthy of all glory,